Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeRebel. In today's video, we will diving into a fascinating coding problem called divides array into arrays with max difference. This is a problem that's involved breaking down an array into smaller arrays while satisfying certain conditions. Stick around to explore the problem statement, understand the approach, and see the solution in action using both C++ and Python programming languages. So first of all, let's take an this is a problem statement of a lead code divides array into an array with max difference. This is a problem statement. Let's let's first understand the problem statement. We are given an array of integer and a positive integer key. The task is to divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3. Each element of the array should be exactly one subarray, and the difference between any two elements in one array should be less than or equal to the less equal to k, if possible, to satisfy their condition. Well written and empty array. Multiple valid solutions are possible here. Let's take an approach and find and let's explanation for two examples here. So now take an approach. Now let's discuss the approach to solving this problem. We need to find a way of partition the given array. First, partitions of the given array of the given array given array number one, while ensuring the condition are met, means we have to ensure that condition is met. Condition met. If or break down to logical steps and walk up through the thought process, understanding the constraint is crucial for forming an efficient approaches. So we have to remember it. We have a partition of a given array, and let's take a condition to meet here. If all break down, the logical steps are walk up to thought process. Certainly, let's break down both example to understand the input, expected output, and the reasoning behind the result. So this is example number one. We have to write here nums is equals to 1, 3, 4, 8, 7. So this is an input of a nums. So this is an input of a nums 1, 3, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 5, 1. This is an arrays and array nums. We have to initialize here array nums. These are the array nums. Array nums initialize here. Array nums initialize here. After sorting the array, we have to here sort these array. We have to sort here, sorting in ascending order. Sorting in ascending order. Sorting in ascending order. Let's take 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 8 and 9. These array are sorted. We iterate through the array in chunks of 3. For each chunk, we check if the difference between the last and first element is less than or equals to k. Our k is 2. Our k is here 2. The difference between the last and the first element is less than or equals to k, means 1, 1 and 3 is a valid subarray, is valid subarray. And here and 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 is our valid subarray, is valid subarray. 3, 4, 5 here, yeah. And 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 is our valid subarray. These three are our valid subarray. The output is a 2D array containing these valid subarray. Our our expected output means k is equals to 2. The condition is here, last element, last element, last element and first element. First element is less than or equals to k. These two conditions is less than equals to k, is less than equal to k, equal to k. So our expected output we have iterated here. These so follow that we have to here iterate. Is valid subarray is here or not? This is we have to sort here ascending order. We have to sort ascending order and we have to check a valid subarray, and last we have to check is k is equals to less than and equals to k. If not, if here, so our expected output 1, 1, 3, and here these 3, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8, 9, 7, 8 and 9. These are the expected output. And example number 1 here. And let's take and code how to solve here. So we have to initialize here vectors int initialize result int n equals to nums dot size and where sort the array sort the array in ascending order. Ascending order sort nums dot begin nums dot end. So here iterate through the array is chunks of 3. Iterate here. Iterate through array chunks of 3 for int I is equals to 0, I is less than equals to I is less than equals and I plus is equals to 3. Check if we can form a valid subarray valid sub valid subarray of size k is equals 3. So here if I plus 2 is less than and and nums I plus 2 minus nums I equals to k. If yes, add this subarray. If yes, add subarray to the result. So we have result dot post back nums I plus 1 I plus 1 nums I plus 2. Else if not written any array, so we have to return here empty. So we have here return empty. If not, return an empty array. So return empty. So here we have to return the final output here. Return our final output. Return result. Let's check. Accepted and submit.